So I was talking to one of the guides, and she was telling me that in May the river is filled all the way down, but since it's, you know, June 30th, it's just dry as a bone. He had said that today we've crossed the river 10 times, and only in May you cross the river 60 times. Or I crossed the riverbed with water in it. That is pretty crazy. This is just absolutely beautiful though. Just finished like about a 17-18 kilometer hike, 5 hours going through the gorge. Is amazing. But then once you finish, you get to come and see this. Walking through the palm forest, it's actually kind of neat. It's a gorge that goes right out to the ocean, and then it's just surrounded by palm trees, and there's turtles and fish and blah blah blah. At least that's what they told us. But the guide that told us to come out here was like, hey Aaron, you know, it's only up to like maybe your waist, probably your knees, pretty shallow. Like, as you can see, like I'm standing in the shallowest part, and it is up to my armpits. Pretty crazy. Check it out.